Hello, this is a quick OnShape introduction to 5 specific tools: dimension, mirroring, extrude, linear pattern, and circular pattern. So first, let's create a new project. Let's just call this an example. And after we create this project, let's start with the tool dimensions. Let me just rearrange my view to top. So let's say you wanted a circle that's has a diameter of 2 inches. So let's go to center point circle, put it right there, and now we have to click dimensions and hover it above and click the 1.181 and change it to 2. Let's say you want to go back and change this. You would go here, double tap, and let's say you wanted a 0.5, and then you click the green check mark and it has a 0.5 circle. So that's how you use dimensions. And now let's go to circular pattern. Circular pattern is right in the same row as dimensions, and what it's basically literally create a circle or pattern of circles. So you hold the hover above the circle, and it's naturally going to give you 3. Let's say you wanted 4. And there you go. There's a pattern of 4 circles. And they're all the same size. And so now let's move on to linear pattern. So obviously for a linear pattern, you're going to need a line. Let's just create a line right here. Go over to linear pattern, which is right next to circular pattern. Oops. And then hover it over the line. And it's going to say, do you want 3 lines exactly to the right? And it's going to repeat. But let's go back to dimensions. Dimensions is a very useful tool. And let's reset this dimension to 1 inch. And let's go back to linear pattern. And this time hold above. And let's say we wanted 3, yeah, I think that's good, 1 inch apart and 3 across. And let's click away, and there you have it, 3 lines across. Now let's do the mirror tool. So let's create a rectangle. Let's put it about that size. And the mirror tool is right to left of linear pattern. And it says select a mirror line or plane. So what you want to do is select a mirror line or reference line. And this line right here is the right and left plane. So you click the reference line, and now you select the entity to be mirrored. Let's mirror this. And now we have a mirrored line. And there we go. Now we have successfully mirrored the whole rectangle over the reference y-axis line. Lastly, let's extrude all these objects. So OnShape will automatically assume that you want the shapes that are all the way closed to be extruded or in a 3D form. So the extrude button is the sphere, and you click extrude. And it will ask you what depth you want it. Let's put 2 inches. You click OK, check, and there you go. Now you have a 3D extrusion of all the objects we have created. Let's say you want to go back and edit the size. Let's say you want to put 1.5. So you put edit, and then you go back and change it to 1.5 inches, and it'll change. And that's it for this demo video. I hope it was helpful.